let's draw a fish. Guys, if you want to draw with us, ask an adult to help you grab a paper. We're using these cool things, but you can just use paper and a marker. So right now, your mom, your dad, your auntie, grandma, whoever's there, whoever's an adult friend, say, hello, can we have a piece of paper or marker and or pen or whatever? We want to draw a fish with these guys. Okay, so fish time. I'll show you guys how if you guys don't know how to draw a fish, and you follow along too, Banjo Benny. So a fish, you do one circle here is what I usually do. Another circle there, and let's make that one a little thicker. And then inside there, these are the eyes. You do 2 little circles. See, there you go. And then on the front, you do a little U. And then on the back, you do a big U. And then, let's do the tail. You do a little squiggly with the thing here. Another thing here with another squiggly. And then you do another U to connect it. And then you give the fish a little smile with a U. And then another one there. And then, let's give it a little thing there. That's his little flipper. Is that called a flipper?
That'd be a flipper.
A fin.
Oh, that'd be a finny.
Flipper is what you might call a dolphin, like the TV show. And then you give it its little top there. That's the fin. That's a fin too, 2 fins. Okay, and then we can even do like a little squiggly in the back, like a little flappy. And then even on here we can do one like that. What do you think?
Wow, that looks really good.
Let me see
JoeJoe.
yours. Let's show the kids. Here's this one.
Here we got this one.
Wow! Here, put it right here so they can really see if they can. Can you guys see that?
Can you
That
see
is
it?
really good. It looks like it almost looks like an airplane too.
It's an underwater fish plane.
Yeah, that's really great. And then we could do this on the bottom of your drawing of your fish. Let me see your guys' out there. If you did one. Oh wow, that's really good. Okay, so fish you spell with the F first. You do a line, another line, another line. Do you guys know F? That's F, and it makes a F sound. And then we do an I, which is a I, fi. And then we do an S, it's the squiggly snake. You ever see a snake before?
Oh yeah, I stepped on one time.
Oh.
Good thing I had my boots on though.
Did it bite at you?
It tried, but my boots protected me.
They're strong, huh?
They sure are.
I love your boots. The red ones?
That's them.
Those are nice. Okay, so S makes a sound like snake. And this is fish. And then to make the sh, we need an H. And that's 2 lines down, 1 line across. These are all capital letters. There's lowercase. You did the lowercase. Why don't you show yours?
Oh.
So those are the lowercase versions. The F is a capital, but the other ones are lowercase. So this spells F-I-S-H. Fish. Yum.